BERNINA 335 and 325. Our video tutorial explains the first steps operating the machine. To enlarge the sewing area, attach the slide-on table. The presser foot pressure can be adjusted if required. Reduce the pressure when fabric layers shift or the seam is wavy. Fine, slippery, but also thick, heavy fabrics may feed better with more presser foot pressure. Default for the thread tension is 4. For special sewing applications, the tension can be adjusted. A short press on the needle position up-down button enables a half needle movement. The bobbin thread can easily be pulled to the top when pressing the button twice. The second horizontal line on the stitch plate indicates where the fabric edge should be placed. That prevents the fabric to be pulled down at seam begin. A separate video tutorial on stitch plates for sewing, quilting, and embroidery is available on YouTube BERNINA. Press pattern end to stop at the last stitch of the sewn stitch pattern. Press and hold the Start-Stop button to operate the machine automatically without the foot control. For this, it can be helpful to reduce the maximum speed with the slider. To stop, press the Start-Stop button again. The sewing speed is also regulated via the foot control. With the securing function, the machine will sew 4 securing stitches. As long as the quick reverse button is pressed, the machine sews in reverse. This is an alternative to secure the beginning and end of a seam. Further settings and help are available in Home. For more, please refer to the separate video tutorial First Steps Operating the Touchscreen. Quick Help offers a short explanation to stitches and functions. Clear resets all stitch settings to their default value. The stitch width for each stitch can be altered while sewing. Changes on stitches or functions are displayed in yellow. The stitch width can also be changed on the display. Adjustment can be done either by means of plus and minus or with the slider. Tapping directly into the number field brings you back to the default settings. The stitch length can also be changed in the same way. Changes to the design or stitches remain in the short-term memory until the machine is switched off. The needle position left-right can be adjusted for all stitches within the stitch width range of 5.5 mm. For darning or freehand sewing, lower the feed dog. When changing back to sewing, press the button again and the feed dog will raise with the first stitch. New updates are conveniently installed on the machine via USB stick. Go to Home, Settings, Machine, Maintenance and Firmware Update and click on Update. The nameplate on the rear of the machine contains information about the serial number, which is needed to register the machine online. You will also find the model number and generation, which is necessary when ordering additional accessories.
BERNINA, made to create.